Hi guys, welcome to Focus on Android YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Lens in Google Chrome desktop. Google Lens is very useful feature for us to search for something quickly without typing, but by blocking the part we want to search for. This will be very effective without us explaining in detail by typing in the search. How to use it on the Google Chrome is quite easy. On the Google Chrome, you need to click on three dot symbol in the right corner to access the menu. And here you will see the option Search with Google Lens. And the next steps, you just need to block which part you will search. And the result will appear on the right side. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.